Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with us my view on gold, where I'm expecting gold to move to, the direction for gold that I'm having this week. Alright, so over time we have seen that gold have been breaking the highs, taking out the highs. It has been on an uptrend, right? Gold has been on an uptrend, and we currently saw that last week prices have been bullish, yeah. Prices have been bullish and took out this I giving us a break of structure to the upside. And now what are we currently seeing? So giving us a break of structure to the upside. This is the daily time frame. So giving us a clear break of structure to the upside. And now what are we expecting? Now currently we've seen the price has formed a swing point here. Price has formed a swing point. That's a swing point. So what are we expecting now? So we're expecting a retracement into internal range liquidity. All right, so before then we saw that price took out liquidity here, right? Took out liquidity here and gave us a clear break of structure to the upside around this region. A clear break of structure to the upside around that region, right? And that happens to be the breaker block. All right, why did I say is a breaker block? Price price gave us price took out liquidity, right? Then give us a change of character. Then now we're expecting price to return into that zone and take it up. So that's why I said that's our region. All right, so we saw that price mitigated another block. This was the other block that price used to push to the upside. And now what are we expecting for this week? For this week, since our DSY, analyze our DXY and our DSY is bullish, we're expecting gold to retrace, to move down, right? So what I'm currently expecting, let's see, take our Fibonacci retracement to, so you can see price is currently at the premium zone, at the premium region. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to come into the 50% region, right? All right, so what are we targeting? We're seeing a fair value gap, in this region. We're seeing a clear fair value gap in that region. We're seeing a clear fair value gap in that region, right? That's the fair value gap coming. Let me change this to black. All right, so that line that I was seeing there, that line was seeing there is a fair value gap attached to the breaker block, right? So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to come into that zone before buying. So we're expecting to see price, um, you know, price come into that zone. Price trade into that zone, all right, then before buying to the upside, right? So let's go to the 4 hour time frame, because every time frame has its own structure. So let's see what's currently happening in the 4 hour. All right, so currently we're seeing the price is forming what series of lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and all that. So um let's see where the break of structure. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see clearly what the market is currently doing. So um we saw that the market changed structure, gave us higher low, higher low, higher high. Then market came down, higher high, higher low. Then failed to take other high. Then we had a shift to the down. We had a shift to the downside, right? All right. So where did we see the break of structure? We saw the break of structure around here. So there was a break of structure there, and this was the failure swing. Yeah, this was it. Price failed to take other high, and then we pushed to the downside. So we had a mitigation block. All right, but if you want to take it, we have this candle as our mitigation block. That candle there, and just take it as like this as our block, and price tapped in and started falling down. So what did we see? We saw that price took out this other low now, right? Giving us a break of structure again to the down. All right, giving us a break of structure to the downside. So what are we expecting now? So we saw that this was now our as at yesterday. This was our range, and the price came into the 50%, gave us. So what are we currently expecting? We're expecting that price should take out this low, right? So you should look for shorts to the downside for good, right? For good, you should look for shorts to the downside. And remember, our overall perspective, our overall target is the low. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see what's currently happening on gold. All right. So what happened yesterday? What happened? Saw that break of structure, and now currently we're seeing that price gave us a change of character to the downside. That's where this sweep, that candle closed there. That was the break of structure, and now what happened? We saw that price returned into what, another block. That last bullish candle there, and now we are seeing that price is currently coming down. So this was the change of character to the downside, and now what are we expecting? This was the failure swing, right? This was the failure swing, and then we're expecting a push to the downside. So just look for shorts on gold. All right, look for shorts on gold. We're currently seeing the sales coming, pushing, see, from that other block, and now we saw the change of character to the downside again. So that's what we'll be expecting for the week. Um, go to sell, go to sell, go to sell, go to sell, go to sell. So we are currently looking for shorts to the downside to push to our internal range liquidity, which is our fair value gap, then our breaker block, which is our bullish breaker block, yeah, in that region. So let's see how this goes. All right, so just use my minimum risk, all right? Check for your entries and check for your confidences, and all right. But for me, what I will be waiting for, all right, what I'll be waiting for, if I want to take a sell now, if I want to take a sell now, what I'll be waiting for, I will just wait for the New York session to open. Okay, so like we can see on the 15 minutes time frame, we had Asian load taken out, all right? So what I'm expecting price to do, Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. All right, so basically, I don't think this session I will be taking out again. What price will definitely want to do? Price will just come into this region and then can now be looking for sell to the downside. So we should just wait patiently to see what the market will do, what price will do. Thank you so much for watching. All right, please, if you're new, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you.